Today we are unboxing the brand new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 in this stunning blue finish. So let's dive right in. First up, the packaging is sleek and minimal, as always with Samsung's premium lineup. Sliding the lid off, let's see. So let's break the seal. So you can see their packaging is very minimum, and we are greeted by the star of the show, that is Z Fold 7 itself. So picking up the phone. So in this box, this is just a box, and on the lid there is manual. There's a pin to insert the SIM. And of course, there's a manual here, and there's a charging cable and a pin to insert your SIM. So these are the items that come with the box. And now coming to the phone, just look at the color. The blue has a subtle metallic finish that shifts beautifully under the light, as you can see here. It feels premium, solid in the hand. You can already see the foldable design standing out. So let's peel off the plastic. So you can see it's a gorgeous 7.6-inch foldable display waiting to be powered on. Okay, so I took some time to charge it. So let's power it up. There's a side power button and a lock button, so you can see. It feels like a tab in the hand when I open it, so I don't need to purchase a tab specially. I think this is an amazing phone. So yeah, you can select the language and you can start. You can see how clear the display is. Even you cannot come to know there's a fold in between. The screen is absolutely flat, and you can see the display. We can also see. So let's agree and select a Wi-Fi maybe later. So let's skip it up, and so I just wanted to show you how the phone is. So I'll be setting it up later, but how the display actually works. So when you fold the phone, it's not really hard or anything. It's pretty smooth. You just put a little bit of force. You can see the hinge is so pretty, and you can see there's a Samsung written on the hinge too. The cameras and the size, it fits like this in my hand. It's a little bit big for me, but yes, it's a beautiful color. Well, thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe and like.